My daughter
Dad!
wants to go on holiday.
Oh, Dad.
And she
So
also
annoying. You're
is
so
right here
annoying.
with me
Stop.
in my vlog.
Stop!
And she's telling me
Dad, stop it. It's not funny. Stop.
that it's not funny.
Dad.
And just stop.
Stop.
And throwing stuff at me. Right?
Back.
Don't do that. That's not right. If you do that, we're not going anywhere. I promise you. You're disgusting. Right. No, that's it. I'm gonna need a shower every time you do that. I'm gonna need a shower. Stop it now. That's not fair. Look at me. I've got thing all over me. Look.
That's some more.
No, don't. I'm done. No. Right, we're not going anywhere.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm cancelled. Stop it. It's not.
I'm sorry. It's an accident. Okay. Bye.
See how she stays. Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today we are going to talk about a response to some of the comments a couple of people have made about saying that Busy, some of your videos are way too long. So I've decided to make this real short video for you guys today and dedicate it to those of you who have commented and said that my video is too long. Comment down below, let me know your views on this. So that's it for today. Take care, God bless, peace.